Welcome to Enumclaw Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, and here's a look at another one of our pre-owned vehicles from our great selection of cars, trucks, and SUVs, and comes equipped with
air conditioning, power windows, cruise control, anti-lock braking, daytime running lights, power door locks, tilt steering wheel, rear defroster, and has less than 30,000 miles on the odometer.
Since 2000, Enumclaw Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram has been satisfying customers with exceptional service. And in 2016 and 17, we made history by becoming the only Fiat Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram dealer in the state of Washington to win the Customer First Award. From our dedicated sales team helping you find and finance your perfect vehicle, to our skilled technicians who keep it running properly for years to come, Enumclaw Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram does it all. Come in today and ask how you can save hundreds on taxes. We're located at 726 Roosevelt Avenue. Enumclaw Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. Drive a little, save a lot.